These mountains of discarded fish scales look worthless, but hidden inside them are microscopic crystals that can become brilliant makeup pigment.
First, tons of scales are washed, screened, and prepared in stainless equipment, stripping away residue before the real extraction begins. Then controlled water, enzymes, and gentle mixing release the reflective guanine-rich platelets, turning dull waste into a shimmering suspension. Centrifuge and repeated purification isolate the brightest fraction, removing proteins and impurities while preserving the fragile reflective crystal platelets. After final classification and cosmetic-grade testing, this silvery concentrate becomes pearlescent makeup pigment. Stay with us to see every transformation.
Batch 7 cleared for processing. Confirmed weight on scale 2.
Here we see the multi-stage perforated belt rinser in action, using a countercurrent spray to clean the scales before they reach the vibrating deck.
Scales are feeding uniformly. Batch quantity looks good.
We are approaching target weight on vessel 3. Acknowledged. Slow the feed rate.
Extraction complete. Confirmed for release. Authorized.
Keep the line moving. We need this cleared by 1400.
The guanine-rich suspension is agitated to prevent settling of the reflective platelets before centrifugal recovery. The centrifuges efficiently recover the fine, guanine-rich material. This secondary concentrate is then directed to the crude.
The load cells are showing 95%.
All right, closing the concentrate feed and opening the water lines.
The centrifuges concentrate the washed pigment while removing diluted residual alcohol. The purified guanine-rich
The final purification separation utilizes industrial centrifuges to recover the brilliant silver-white pigment.
The classification reslurry stage converts the wet concentrate into a low-viscosity slurry, preparing the purified platelets for debris removal. The classified concentrate enters the wash tanks for a final polishing wash, ensuring the removal of residual fines.
The bright slurry distributes to the centrifuge feeds. The clear water phase exits, while the luminous wet concentrate accumulates.
The distribution curves are within the accepted range. The batch is approved.
The refined guanine-rich suspension is accumulating under gentle agitation, preparing for deaeration and concentration. pH adjustment complete. System stabilized at 7.0. Batch blending complete. Final uniformity confirmed. Ready for release.